Where are my grilled fish lovers? Hi guys, welcome to Soleil's Cage. If it's your first time, please do well to subscribe and leave a comment like. Hi, today the fish I'll be using is called drum. This is my very first time grilling this fish ever. So bear in mind please. If you see any errors, please give your girl some credit. All right. So first, make sure you clean the fish. You don't want to eat something bitter in that fish. So make sure you clean out, remove all that yuckiness, the dirt that you see in the middle of the fish. So after I make sure that I took that out, I go in with lemon to make some extra clean, make the fish extra clean, how we like it. And also the lemon helps in tenderizing and just add some flavor to the fish. So but after this, I'll make sure to rinse it off. The other part of prepping the fish for the rub is by making incisions. This is going to help the marinade or the dry rub that I'll apply next to go through the deep crevices of the fish. So that way we do not have an under season. I'm going to list every ingredient I used in marinating or seasoning the fish in the description. So please do well to check for all the ingredients that we. After incorporating the dry rub to the fish, I put it in the refrigerator overnight. This is just a personal preference. That way it it soaks up the spice, but you can just apply this and put in the oven. You don't want to over add in the green marinade. That way, once you brush it on the fish, it does not make the fish to come out over seasoned.